How to log out of Exness app. First of all, open the app on your device. From your dashboard, tap on the profile button in the bottom right corner of the screen. Scroll down to the bottom and you will find the logout option. Tap on it to proceed. A confirmation message will appear asking if you want to log out. Tap the logout option to log out of your account. Once logged out, you will be taken back to the sign-in page where you can log in again or switch to another Exness account if needed. Logging out regularly is a good practice to keep your account secure, especially if you are using a shared or public device. Always make sure to close the app completely after logging out to prevent unauthorized access. Now you know how to log out of the Exness app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more trading tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.